eskerrik asko denoi, etortzeagatik, eta ea utzi dezaiogun beraiei demostratzen ikasi dutena.
Greetings, friends. Have no fear.
We are
and wizards. Markel, because you knew the answer before I asked the question.
Witches, there are women with magic powers.
Good. And wizards?
Men with magic powers.
Thank you, very good. Sit down. What do witches and wizards do? Please.
Magic potion and spiritual.
Good, thank you. My last question, I want to see everybody's hands. What do witches watch on television? What do witches wear? See somebody from this group, I think. Who knows? Please, your lips.
They wear clothes, hat, gloves, shoes, stockings, and
That's it, I think. And can you tell us what colour is it normally?
black.
Black, of course. Thank you.
That's my turn. Hello. And where witches and wizards live? Where do they live? Your name? They live in caves and forests. You sure? Okay, next question. Where do they meet?
Oh, you missed one.
No.
They meet in hilltops, caves, and forests.
They meet there, they don't live there. Okay? Good. And how do witches travel? Yes.
In broomstick.
Very good, very good. Good.
Okay, now it's my turn. Are witches always bad or evil? Okay, would you like to?
No, as well as white witches.
There are white witches. Okay. So they're good witches. Very good. And can you tell me, how do we recognize a real witch? How do we recognize a real witch? They have blue sticks. What else do they have?
Their eyes color change.
Their eye color changes. Okay, what else? How else do we recognize them? Okay, Manex?
A big nose.
They have a big nose. Why do they have a big nose? Okay,
Because they smell very well.
because they can smell you very well, can't they? Anything else?
They don't have
They don't have hair, so what's that?
oh,
They're bald. Okay, anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Okay, I'm back.
they don't have toes.
They don't have toes. Okay, well done. I think that's it, isn't it? Is there one more thing? Is there one more thing? Okay, tell me.
They have gloves.
They wear gloves. Why do they wear gloves? Why do they wear gloves? Remember? Can you remember? Okay. Yes.
They have big
Because they have big fingers. Yes, they do. Well done. Okay, thank you. Okay, now the natural remedies that you studied to be white witches and wizards. Can you tell me, if you cut yourself and is bleeding a lot, what remedy would you try? Oh yeah.
We have the spider web of the
Finger.
yes.
That's right, good. Well done. Thank you. If you wanted to protect yourself from lightning during a storm, what should we do? What should we do? Yuri.
Take the newspaper and put it from your neck and she will protect from the lightning.
Okay, so the basil plant around your neck. Very good. Very good. Good.
Good, thank you.